Hello, welcome to BigFish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
In this picture, I see a family riding bicycles on a sidewalk in a neighborhood. There's a father, a mother, and 3 children. They all look very happy and are enjoying their bike ride together.
Great start! Can you give me more details about what each person is doing and describe their surroundings?
Sure. The father is in the middle, riding a green bicycle with a brown backpack. The mother is on the left, riding an orange bicycle with a basket full of flowers. The oldest child, a boy, is on the right, riding a small, pink bicycle. The 2 younger children, both girls, are following behind on scooters. They are riding on a sidewalk in a friendly neighborhood with houses, trees, and street lamps.
Excellent description. Let's look at some vocabulary and phrasal verbs. Vocabulary: bicycle, sidewalk, neighborhood, backpack, basket, flowers, scooter, street lamp, friendly. Phrasal verbs: ride along. The family is riding along the sidewalk. Look around. The children are looking around as they ride. Keep up. The younger children are trying to keep up with their parents. Can you try using these phrasal verbs in sentences related to the picture?
Yes, the family is riding along the sidewalk, enjoying their day. The children are looking around at the neighborhood as they ride. The younger children are trying to keep up with their parents on their scooters.
Wonderful! Now, let's go deeper. What do you think the mood is like? And why do you think they are riding bikes together?
The mood seems very joyful and energetic. The family looks happy and excited to be spending time together outdoors. I think they are riding bikes to enjoy the nice weather, get some exercise, and have fun as a family.
Excellent observation. Let's note some more vocabulary and phrasal verbs. Vocabulary: joyful, energetic, excited, spending time, outdoors, nice weather, exercise. Phrasal verbs: spend time. They are spending time together as a family. Look forward to. They might have been looking forward to this bike ride. Set off. They set off on their bikes from home. Can you create sentences with these new phrasal verbs?
Sure, they are spending time together as a family, which makes them very happy. They might have been looking forward to this bike ride all week. They set off on their bikes from home, ready to explore the neighborhood.
Excellent use of phrasal verbs. You're doing great. Let's continue with a few more details. Can you describe the neighborhood and any additional elements you notice?
The neighborhood looks very peaceful and well kept. There are houses with colorful roofs and gardens in front. The street lamps are evenly spaced along the sidewalk, providing light in the evening. The trees and bushes add a lot of greenery to the area, making it very pleasant for a bike ride.
Very well done. More vocabulary and phrasal verbs to highlight. Vocabulary: peaceful, well-kept, colorful roofs, gardens, evenly spaced, greenery, pleasant. Phrasal verbs. Put on. The children put on their helmets before riding. Look after. The parents look after their children during the ride. Catch up. The younger children are trying to catch up with their older sibling. Can you use these phrasal verbs in sentences?
Yes. The children put on their helmets before riding their bikes. The parents look after their children during the ride, making sure they are safe. The younger children are trying to catch up with their older sibling on their scooters.
Excellent! Let's wrap up with a summary of the picture and the family's biking experience.
In summary, the picture shows a family enjoying a joyful and energetic bike ride in their neighborhood. The father, mother, and their 3 children are riding on a sidewalk. The father is on a green bicycle with a backpack. The mother is on an orange bicycle with a basket of flowers, and the oldest child is on a pink bicycle. The 2 younger children are riding scooters and trying to keep up. The neighborhood is peaceful and well kept, with houses, gardens, trees, and street lamps. The family is spending time together, enjoying the nice weather and getting some exercise.
Fantastic summary. You've captured the essence of the scene very well. Let's review the key vocabulary and phrasal verbs we've learned today. Vocabulary: sidewalk, neighborhood, backpack, basket, flowers, scooter, street lamp, friendly, joyful, energetic, excited, spending time, outdoors, exercise, peaceful, well-kept, colorful roofs, phrasal verbs, ride along, look around, keep up, spend time, look forward to, set off, put on, look after, catch up. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.